Today is a very exciting day, and that is because I finally switched my cooking system to induction. I am now completely gas-free. This is made possible because my friend Kyle, who happens to have a spare battery that he doesn't need. So thank you, Kyle, for making my switch to induction possible. So today I'm just going to feed the power cable down to the battery here for demonstration. This won't be the first time that I'm using it. I tested it yesterday to make sure everything runs properly, but this will be a test to see how much power my cooktop will consume, and if it's really better than gas. The battery that I got from Kyle is a Van Power's Super Power Pro 1500. I don't know the exact specs. I'll put them on the screen if you are interested. In the front, it's got a bunch of DC output ports. On the right, this is where you keep the battery all charged up. And on this side, this is what I care about. It's a bunch of AC outlets. And one of these will enable me to power my induction cooktop. Initially, I was planning to keep the external battery in the front passenger seat, but then my extension cord wasn't long enough to reach all the way behind. So now I'm keeping it permanently in the back passenger area. It happens to fit just perfectly. I'm keeping the unit always charged by plugging it into the 12 volt center console outlet, and then my wire goes out from the corner of the center console cover all the way down to the unit itself. For outputs, I have a right angle extension cable that goes up and into my sleeping slash storage, and then it feeds all the way back to where the induction cooktop is located. I've got a cast iron cooker. This is a new addition to my cooking system because my previous aluminum pan is not compatible for induction. And I got this also thinking that this will be really versatile. I can use this not only here with the induction cooktop, but also over on open fire. So here I have the cast iron with the induction cooktop on one side, and on the other side I have a regular camping gas stove and a pot. And we'll start with a boiling test. I'm going to fill up the water to 600 milliliter and see which one comes to a boil first. I have some oil in here. I don't know if that's going to affect the boiling point. Hopefully not. Let's turn this on. And then, of course, we have to cover these. Let's go full power. It looks like both of them are starting to boil. Maybe the gas is going a little bit faster. I'm not sure. I think it's probably been maybe like 4 to 5 minutes, and the battery is now at 93%. And it's drawing 1124 watts, 1150. Oh, the gas is boiling. Oh, okay. Both of them are boiling. But it appears that, let me turn these off. It does appear that both of them come to a boil at a pretty similar time. There's almost no wind at all where I am today. What I'm really excited about the induction cooktop is that on windy days, super windy days, the efficiency will be the same. The water will most likely come to a boil at the same time. Unlike the gas will probably take me 3 times of the time to boil the same amount of water. The environment today is almost perfect. I don't know about you, but I'm very hungry. We are gonna cook this up. I'm not sure which of these should I use. I guess I will use this. Okay, we are at 90% right now. And let's begin cooking. Okay, let's check. 81, 10% gone. 7 minutes. Great, I think it's good to go. Oh look, it's so greasy. Okay, how do I shut this off? Alright, after cooking the steak, we still have 73%. Hello. If you participated in the camper kit giveaway, the winner will be chosen right now. And number 1 to 90. Okay, 57. Lucky winner 57. Who's 57? 57. Alright. That's you. Okay, I will be getting in touch with you. Way Smith. Okay. Congratulations.